Alright guys, so today we're going to be breaking 13-14 Trilogy hockey. Hoping to get some nice rookie autos out of this box here. Open it up. So there's 3 mini boxes per box. Alright, let's open this up here. So yeah, they just come in, it's kind of a pain in the butt to open, but they come in, 3 little boxes like this. So you're guaranteed 1 puck autograph. Signatures puck. So we're going to see what we get in these. We'll just break them 1 box at a time. That's good enough. So that's it for that there. I think there's, yeah, three packs per mini box. So we got base, decoy, and our first auto we got Thomas Hickey, level 1, Thomas Hickey, Premier Auto. So yeah, that's a pretty neat autograph there. The Islanders, I know it's reversed for you guys, sorry about that, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, here's our puck auto. So base, and our puck auto for the Sharks, Logan Couture. Decent puck auto. Pretty heavy card. It's a little, you know, mini puck inside there actually. It's a rubber puck. Pretty neat. So base, here's our decoy, and then 3 jersey. We got Zdeno Chara, Marian Gaborik, and Marian Hossa. Star Spotlight National Trios, 3-way card. No numbering on this one, but still nonetheless pretty sweet. Alright, so let's get into our second mini box here. Pretty decent hits in the first mini box. We're guaranteed 2 more rookie autos. So we'll see what we get there. So let's break this box. Base, decoy, and we got an Anze Kopitar auto. Pretty neat card. Looks like a parallel auto. Yeah, no numbering on this guy, I don't think. Doesn't look like it at least, no, but still nonetheless a pretty sweet card. Oh, base, decoy, Jonathan Huberdeau, Premier Rookie Autograph, level 1. So I believe that's numbered to 399. Oh, 699. Whoa, these are high numbered. Holy crap. Well, you know why? Because look at his autograph is cut off. He signed off the sticker. What a donkey. Oh well, still a neat card. So this is our, got our crystal card in it. So base, and our crystal card is Jonas Brodin. Oh, I guess that's no good there. I guess we'll have to show it like that. So yeah, it's a Jonas Brodin crystal. Is that a rookie? Is he a rookie? Yeah, it is. That's rookie numbered to 225. Level 1, I believe. Yeah, level 1. Neat card. This is our last box. Okay, so we are guaranteed also a Ice Scripts auto. So that'll be in this box here. And I think we get 1 more rookie auto. Yeah, 1 more. Ow. Box would cut me open. So here's our Ice Scripts auto. Base, 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 and our Ice Script auto is Lars Eller, Montreal Canadiens. Oh yeah, it's a good idea. That doesn't really help. Put a decoy behind it, but yeah, you can kind of see the auto better with the decoy behind it. Pretty neat Ice Scripts auto there. Last two. Base, let me move this packaging. Base, 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 decoy. The three-way jersey card, Joe Thornton, Logan Couture, and Nick Petrecki. Three-way Sharks jersey card. Another Sharks hit. And our last pack, which will have our last auto in it. Base, 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 decoy, and Ryan Spooner. Level 2 Premier Rookie Autograph. And that one's numbered to 399. So I'm just going to go over our hits again here. So we got Thomas Hickey auto out of 699. Logan Couture puck auto. We got this three-way star spotlight. It says National Trio Slovakia. So these are all Slovaks here. Hossa, Gabrick, and Chara. I guess, the flag is in the background. Oh, jeez. We got this Anze Kopitar, pretty sick auto. It's a parallel auto. Jonathan Huberdeau, Premier Level 1 auto. Our crystal card was a crystal rookie, Jonas Brodin from the Minnesota Wild. Our Ice Scripts auto, Lars Eller of the Montreal Canadiens. Our other jersey card is another Sharks hit, Joe Thornton, Logan Couture, and Nick Petrecki. Past, present, and future. And our last auto was a Level 2 Boston Bruins Ryan Spooner autograph.